Exporting data to Excel from TRAZiT is quick and easy. Want to see how it's done? With just a click on the Export button, you can get an Excel file with all your table data in seconds. Customize the order of your data before exporting. Drag the columns in the table to rearrange them, and the exported file will keep the exact same order you set. Is there information you don't need in your report? Hide the columns you don't want to include, and they'll disappear from the Excel file. You'll only see what's important. TRAZiT helps you find the information you need quickly and accurately. Apply global filters or specific filters by criteria to show only the relevant data. The global filter searches for matches in all fields of the table at the same time, while the filter by criteria lets you filter column by column, applying specific conditions based on your needs. Both filters can work with any type of data: text, numbers, dates, Boolean values, and more. Users can decide what data to include when exporting. They simply select the columns they want and deselect the ones they don't. You control exactly what information is generated in the file. Have you ever received an Excel file and didn't know where the data came from? Forget about anonymous files. TRAZiT automatically adds an informative header with all the details of the data's origin, such as the system and process used, the user who performed the export, and the precise date and time. With these methods, you ensure more agile and precise data management.